Let's be honest, your values page means nothing if your operations don't match it. The market is full of nonsense. Innovation, excellence, synergy, these are buzzwords. People are tired of fluff. They're really hungry for truth. If you claim it, prove it. If I'm a smart advisor who shows, that's what matters. You can't outsource leadership. You have to show up. Don't tell me that you're innovative. Show me the product roadmap. Don't tell me that you care about your clients. Show me the case study where you fix a mistake. Marketing is about integrity. I believe in people who do the work and mean what they say, people who walk the talk. If your marketing writes checks, your product can cash, you're done. Your brand should be as unapologetic as your ambition. The brands winning in 2026 are the ones who are radically transparent. Admit what you don't do. Be clear about who you don't serve. That is empowering. That is how you build a legacy.